Hey everyone, welcome back to the Travel Partner YouTube channel. I'm Sarah, and today I'm taking you on a dream trip to the Maldives without breaking the bank. If you think the Maldives is only for luxury travelers, think again. I spent 4 days here for just $600, and I'll show you how you can too. Let's dive in. When you think of the Maldives, you might picture luxury resorts and expensive flights, but getting there doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning and some smart strategies, you can score affordable flights and make your dream trip a reality, without draining your savings. Start by using flight comparison sites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. These platforms let you compare prices across dozens of airlines and booking sites, so you can quickly spot the best deals. Don't just check one site. Sometimes prices vary, so it pays to look around. Always search for flights in incognito or private browsing mode. Airlines and booking sites can track your searches and may increase prices if they see you're interested in a particular route. Incognito mode helps you see the real lowest fares. Flexibility is key. If you can, be open with your travel dates. Flying midweek, like Tuesdays or Wednesdays, often means cheaper tickets. Also, consider traveling during the shoulder season, when demand is lower and prices drop. Set up price alerts on your favorite sites so you'll get notified when fares fall. Don't forget to check flights from nearby airports, not just your closest one. Sometimes a short drive or train ride can save you hundreds of dollars, especially if you're willing to be a bit adventurous with your route. Another trick is to book your outbound and return flights separately, or even mix and match different airlines. Sometimes, booking 2 one-way tickets with different carriers can be much cheaper than a round trip with the same airline. For example, I managed to snag a round-trip ticket from Kuala Lumpur to Malé for just $180 by mixing airlines and staying flexible with my dates. Deals like this are out there if you're willing to put in a little extra effort. Don't overlook budget airlines like AirAsia and Scoot. They often have flash sales and super low fares, especially if you can travel light. Remember, budget airlines make their money on extras, so pack only what you need to avoid hefty baggage fees. Sign up for airline newsletters and loyalty programs. Airlines often send out exclusive deals and early bird discounts to subscribers before they're available to the public. And don't forget to follow airlines on social media. Flash sales and promo codes are often announced on their Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook pages, and these deals can disappear fast. For the Maldives, booking early is usually your best bet. Aim to book your flights at least 2 to 3 months in advance, since last-minute bargains are rare for this destination. Planning ahead gives you the best shot at locking in a low price. Before you hit that book button, always double-check the baggage policies for your chosen airline. Some budget carriers have strict limits and high fees for checked bags or even carry-ons, so knowing the rules can save you from surprise charges at the airport. With these simple hacks, you'll arrive in paradise with more money left in your pocket. Perfect for enjoying fresh coconuts on the beach, snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, or treating yourself to a special meal. Now that you know how to fly to the Maldives on a budget, let's dive into where to stay and how to make the most of your trip. Forget 1,000 a night villas. The Maldives has plenty of affordable stays. Guest houses on local islands are my go-to. Clean, comfy, and as low as $30 a night. Booking.com and Agoda are great for comparing options and reviews. I stayed on Mafushi Island for $35 a night. Breakfast included. Off-season travel, May to October, means prices drop by up to 50%. Look for package deals. Some guest houses bundle meals and activities for a flat rate. Choose islands with easy ferry access from Malé to save on transfers. Mafushi, Thulistu, and Digura are all budget-friendly picks. Some guest houses offer free bikes or snorkeling gear, little perks that save you more. Always read recent reviews and check cancellation policies. Contact guest houses directly for possible extra discounts or perks. Solo travelers, look for rare dorms or hostels on main islands. Save on accommodation, and you'll have more for adventures and food. Let's see how to eat and play on a budget. Food and fun don't have to be expensive in the Maldives. With a little planning and a sense of adventure, you can experience the best of this island paradise without breaking the bank. The Maldives is often seen as a luxury destination, but there are plenty of ways to enjoy its beauty and culture on a budget. One of the best ways to save money is by eating at local cafes, known as hota. These small, family-run spots serve up delicious curries, fresh seafood, and traditional Maldivian snacks for just a few dollars per meal. Not only is the food affordable, but you'll also get a taste of authentic island life and flavors you won't find in resort restaurants. Make the most of complimentary guesthouse breakfasts, which are often hearty and filling. Stock up on snacks from local markets, think tropical fruits, savory pastries, and bottled drinks, to keep you fueled throughout the day. This way, you can avoid pricey resort food and always have something tasty on hand for your adventures. The beaches on local islands are absolutely free to enjoy, and they're every bit as stunning as those at high-end resorts. You'll find powdery white sand, crystal clear water, and often far fewer crowds, making it easy to relax and soak up the sun in peace. Snorkeling is a must-do activity here. Most guest houses offer free or very affordable gear rentals, so you can explore vibrant coral reefs and swim alongside colorful fish without spending much. The underwater world of the Maldives is just as magical as its beaches, and you don't need a fancy tour to experience it. If you want to join an excursion, opt for group tours like snorkeling or dolphin watching trips. These are much cheaper than private tours and are a great way to meet other travelers. Sharing the experience with new friends can make your adventure even more memorable. Don't miss the sunset on the west side of the island. It's a magical, unforgettable sight and completely free. Bring a snack, find a cozy spot on the sand, and watch the sky transform into a canvas of colors as the sun dips below the horizon. For a few dollars, you can rent a bike or a kayak and explore the island at your own pace. Biking is a fun way to discover hidden beaches and local villages, while kayaking lets you glide over turquoise waters and find your own private slice of paradise. Keep an eye out for local festivals or cultural events during your stay. Many of these celebrations are free to attend and offer a unique glimpse into Maldivian traditions, music, and dance. Joining in is a fantastic way to connect with the community and create unforgettable memories. Remember, you don't need to spend a lot to have an amazing time here. The Maldives is full of simple pleasures, swimming, exploring, and making new friends that don't cost a thing. Pack snacks for your beach days to avoid the temptation of expensive resort food. A picnic on the sand with local treats is both budget-friendly and fun. Savor the generous portions and unique flavors of Maldivian cuisine. From spicy fish curries to sweet coconut desserts, every meal is an opportunity to try something new and delicious. While exploring, take the time to meet locals and fellow travelers. Some of the best memories come from spontaneous conversations, shared meals, and new friendships formed along the way. Ready to get around the islands without overspending? Let's go! With these tips, you'll discover that the Maldives can be both magical and affordable, letting you make the most of every moment. Transportation in the Maldives can be surprisingly expensive, especially if you're used to backpacking in Southeast Asia or other budget-friendly destinations. But don't worry, there are plenty of ways to get around without blowing your budget. The secret weapon for budget travelers? Public ferries. These boats are the lifeline connecting the islands, and they're by far the most affordable way to travel between them. Ferries run from Malé, the capital, to most local islands for just a couple of dollars per trip. The ride itself is an experience, gliding over crystal-clear turquoise water, passing by palm-fringed islands, and mingling with locals and fellow travelers. It's not just transportation, it's a chance to soak in the real Maldives. But here's the catch. Ferry schedules can be tricky. They don't run every day, and during high season, seats fill up quickly. Always check the latest schedules online or at the terminal and try to book your spot as early as possible. Missing a ferry could mean waiting a whole extra day, so planning ahead is key. If you're short on time or your island isn't served by a public ferry, shared speedboats are a great alternative. They're much faster, often cutting travel time in half, but they do cost more, usually around $20 to $30 each way. Still, compared to private transfers, they're a bargain and can save you hours of travel. Don't hesitate to ask your guest house for help with booking transfers. Local hosts are experts at navigating the transport system and can often secure you a spot on the next ferry or speedboat. They might even know about special deals or less crowded routes that aren't widely advertised. Once you're on your island, you'll find that most places are small and easily walkable. Forget about taxis. Just stroll along sandy paths lined with coconut palms, and you'll reach beaches, cafes, and shops in minutes. Walking is not only free, but it's also the best way to soak up the laid-back island vibe. For a little more freedom, rent a bike for just a few dollars a day. Many guest houses even offer free bicycles for guests, making it easy to explore every corner of the island at your own pace. Cycling along the beach at sunset is an experience you won't forget. Planning a day trip or excursion? Instead of splurging on a private charter, join a group tour. Group excursions for snorkeling, sandbank visits, or dolphin watching are much more affordable and a great way to meet other travelers. Plus, you'll often get insider tips from local guides. If your flight arrives late or you miss the last ferry, don't stress. Spend a night in Malay or Hulu Malay, where you'll find plenty of budget guest houses and local eateries. It's a chance to experience city life in the Maldives before heading out to the islands. Always double-check transfer schedules with your guest house before booking flights or making plans. Ferry and speedboat times can change due to weather or demand, so it's best to stay flexible and confirm everything in advance. Missing a ferry or speedboat can mean an unexpected night in Malay, which can throw off your plans and add extra costs. That's why a little planning goes a long way. Set reminders, arrive early, and always have a backup plan just in case. With these tips, you'll be island hopping like a pro, saving money, meeting locals, and making the most of your Maldivian adventure. Traveling smart means you can spend more on experiences and less on getting from place to place. So pack light, plan ahead, and get ready to explore the Maldives on a budget. Up next, let's talk about what to bring and some final tips to make your trip unforgettable. Packing right saves money and hassle. Pack light. Budget airlines have strict baggage limits. Bring lightweight clothes, a swimsuit, flip-flops, and a sarong. Reef-safe sunscreen is a must to protect the coral reefs. Carry a reusable water bottle. Most guest houses have filtered water. Bring your own snorkeling gear if you have it for comfort and savings. Quick dry towel, hat, sunglasses, and a dry bag are essentials. Modest clothing is recommended on local islands. Save swimsuits for the beach. Bring some cash for small purchases. ATMs aren't everywhere. Most importantly, come with an open mind and a sense of adventure. That's it. Your complete guide to the Maldives on a budget. With a little planning, you can make your dream trip happen for just $600. Subscribe for more travel tips and share your questions or tips in the comments. Happy travels! See you in the next adventure.